act real life player. Now playing games I used to hustle everything. Treat life to blame for that shit.
What's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna present to you my brand new shoes, Patrik Edvik. So here it is. Nice packing. So inside we have the beauties. I adore them. They are so nice. I have also the Detro edition. But these are something else. These are nice. Here it is from the front. The shoelaces are in the back, so they are hidden. You see in the up area you can continue with the shoelace. So in the back you have the Edvik logo. So here it is, the small information book, if you want to call it like that. So, and a small bowl you can hanger you can put on your keys, and so here are together the both. It's an amazing pair of shoes. It's cool, it's so nice, it's unique, it's comfortable, it's everything you want. So here you open in the sides, you open the shoes on, and yeah, so now we gonna put them on and see how it's going. It looks okay, it looks awesome. So here we are back with the shoes on. It feels great in the feet. It feels comfortable, it feels protected, if you like to say it like that. Here it is from the front. Here we are. From the other side. Wait, let me put this to the side. You see the small ball there. I think it looks amazing. It is comfortable. Here it is from the back. So it feels comfortable, safe, and all. Thank you for watching this video. Check out one of my playlists and see you next time. Peace.